guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm once again in a different country. It's like being quite consistent actually. If you don't know who I am, I'm Tanya. I travel way too much. People think I'm crazy to do a lot of solo travel. This is not a solo travel occasion, but I've had to film an intro because I realised I haven't filmed an intro for this entire holiday. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, so you can not miss out on any future travel content. I haven't actually got anything else booked as of yet. Yet is the key part. It's just summertime. Holidays can be so expensive. I feel like I'm gonna die. Okay, I don't have much space on this memory card before it dies, but guys, if you saw me yesterday, if you saw the previous clips, you realised I was written off yesterday. Like, no joke. But I'm going to see some camels now. I feel so much better. I'm so glad it was a 24-ish hour thing rather than 48, because otherwise I'd been screwed today. To make sure I switch out my memory cards. But yeah, we're going to see some camels. I'm just wearing this cute trousers and shirt. Got my phone in my bra. My boyfriend was like, I'm leaving you because I want to eat. I was like, alright, cool. I'm just like, I need to get ready. So yeah, I need to put my camera away because he can't film in the actual food bit, and he's gonna be like, it's taking so long. Men are so grumpy. And now you want to focus on me? How rude. Okay, so hang on. Okay, people are going out. I don't know where he is. Where is he? Anyway, we're supposed to be going on our little excursion, and I'm waiting for him. I don't know where he is. I mean, literally got to be in a couple of minutes. No, we're supposed to be in a reception for 9 o'clock. I don't know where he is. Or he's like to cover his head because we're obviously going to see camels, and then my stuff, but it's not that hard. You pick up 2 things to walk out the room. My entire room is quite far from the lobby, but anyway, here's what it is. So, if you don't know, I had food poisoning. Food poisoning. How rude. So, I think it, like, I don't know what possessed me to have fish on holiday. Why? I would never. I don't know what possessed me. I thought, well, that looked good. That's what I'm thinking. Anyway, it was the paella. Lovely. That's exactly what we need. It got to like 2-3 a.m. and I started throwing up, and if I can help it I will not throw up, but I could not help it. At both ends, hot mess, disgusting. My boyfriend's getting annoyed at me because it was a bit of a state. Not that, it wasn't that bad, but it was a bit of a state. So he had to fill in the sick list form for me, and they said you can't get a refund for your excursion because you have to see the hotel doctor to get doctor's note. So then you want me to pay for a doctor to get doctor's note to get my money back? Make it make sense. So I'm going to email my insurance and see what they say, because if it's like I had food poisoning, I threw up. Okay, now I'm feeling better. I'm hungry a lot. So good. I'm hungry, but anyway, like literally we were supposed to go in like 2 minutes, and you try and find out where he is. Oh. So we made it, and we're just waiting now. Oh, we're going now because I tried to. They want me to go back on the camel. I barely got off, and now they want to get back on. I'm not prepared, ready at all. It's not easy.
Do you remember what was yours?
No. Oh, okay.
Telling off the
Innit?
children.
Little family domestics going on out here. They're the babies. They're the babies. And they're the mums. Okay, so guys, it's now, what day are we on? 3? 4? No, we're day 4. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it's the same. Today's Monday. I didn't vlog yesterday at all. I think I got a little clip that I showed you guys. I think we've talked about this, but yeah, let me explain the level. Like, so I had some paella. Bad mistake. So as I was saying, I was really violently ill, so it stripped me of energy. And then even this morning, like, I was okay, but like even now I still feel a bit wishy-washy, like no energy. I've got nothing in me. Even though I've been eating, it's like been burnt. So yeah, we went on Camels this morning. That was so much fun. Like, it was terrifying, very terrifying, but it was good. And then so yeah, they drove you out to this part of the desert, not mad into the desert, like literally on the outskirts of Marrakesh, because like, that's where our hotel is anyway. And then they insert the footage anyway, but there's not much footage because you're on a flipping camel. I don't understand how people get footage, like videos, like them holding it on a camel, because you have to hold on for your dear life. Anyway, so yeah, we got on there and then we went to like a little lady's like little village, not village but like little hut, home, I don't know, and she gave us tea and biscuits. It was very, very nice, very like welcoming, warm welcoming. Anyway, yeah, it was really, really nice anyway. And yeah, she took really good care of us, and then they put us in like the traditional like robes and stuff. It was really, really nice. My boyfriend loves it. Like, he is all up about that kind of shit. He fucking loves all that stuff. And then we went back, and honestly, getting on and off these camels, no, it's not easy. Crazy how like architecture in like different parts of the world are like so different. I'll probably like take a little trip to see her actually. Make that my little summer vacay.
It makes trouble with French and Spanish.
Scrub and like some form of algae kind of like body thing, and then like a foot massage and face massage and body everything. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it's gonna be better than the Turkish hammam for sure, because we literally just got dash water at us and put bubbles on us and that's it. But this,
1 hour massage as well.
Yeah, 1 hour and then 20 minutes. Trying to say that we had to pay double of what we already paid. She was like, it's an extra 45, and it's like, what? How can it double if it's only an extra 10 euros more? And, oh, that does not look good. But yeah. But all I know is I'm hungry. We came to a la carte restaurant in the hotel, and let me tell you, this food, it was not great. And I said absolutely no to seafood, but I had this little pumpkin soup. It literally tastes like baby food. My boyfriend was a bit concerned about what he had, and then we got this like beef rib thing, and it was not nice at all. We just did not like the food, and this, it tasted like marshmallows and rubber. I don't know. Good morning. It is Tuesday, well, second to last day. Tomorrow we leave, but today we're going to the mountains. We're gonna go see the waterfalls. Which, thinking, you in Morocco? Yeah, exactly. So I'm really excited. I just put my hair in a bandana. The sun, I don't know if you saw it in the beginning. You can't see it now because I put the brightness up. Hang on. Like, the sun is there behind me. It's beautiful. But you ready? You ready?
Yeah. Well, ready. Getting in for breakfast now.
Yeah, that is it. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys probably when we're like on the coach or something, because I'm tired. I'm so tired. I don't know if it's the lighting or what, but I can never see myself. Anyway, so yeah, we just stopped off to eat. Just like to stretch our legs, eat, go to the toilet and stuff. It's quite cold actually. But it's early in the morning. It's 9:30 and we've been up for hours. But yeah, so we've still got like another hour and a bit drive. I'm about to sleep, and my dream has been good. I can't turn on about my dream, but because my boyfriend might have a heart attack, but it's fine. So we just started stretching our legs and stuff, and yeah, it's like my little titty bus.
They are wide, they are not dead. Okay, so those monkeys, they are wide and they are not dead. I mean, not dogs or cats. Don't touch them. If you touch, they bite. I repeat again. They are so cute, you know, but don't touch them. If you touch, they bite. If they bite you, it's a big problem. Things happen many times. Not with my group. Always they say that to me, I guess. Second thing.
Sickness, I said, I was so sick. I was holding on for dear life. I'll tell you that. Oh. So we're on our little tour now. That journey was no joke. Which, the journey was no joke, I'll tell you that.
Guys, can you see the monkeys from here? I am watching the monkey from here. No. Really? See the big tree? They are sitting on the wall. You know the big tree? In the bottom of the tree, there is one on the wall sitting there. Guys, the monkeys are living there in the bushes. That is like that. On va descendre, on va revenir. We come back later, guys. Follow to the bottom. On y va, s'il vous plaît.
So we've made it. Oh, there's people there. We made it. I can't get back up. Oh my god. Oh, catch it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's the mummies looking after their babies. It's so cute. Aww.
Baby.
Oh.
There's more.
Oh, fuck off. I feel like I might die. Oh my god, that is a little... Look at that. Oh my god.
Come on, let's go, boss.
Oh my. My heart can't take it. No, my heart can't take it. I am scared. Yes, I'm telling you, these are wild monkeys. How close I am to the monkey. I'm too close to this monkey. Bye, monkeys.
I'm winding you.
I had to take off my thing because it doesn't look hot, but it's got like humidity. Anyway. Why not? Oh, it's fine. No problem. That's what insurance is for. Oh my gosh. Absolutely not. People are... Oh my god, babe, there's wild monkeys down there too. Oh look, they're climbing. Nah, mate. Can't be me. Yeah, I know. Oh,
This one's big as well.
In
Look
it?
how big he is.
Oh my god. Look at it.
Huge, like.
Oh my god, look at that monkey. Nah,
Pure
let's go.
muscle as well.
Let's go. Probably thinking, yeah, smile, photogenic fucking shit. We just did the little boat things. I went around there. It was so cool. But I need to now somehow get off this rock. And how I'm going, and it's not that far off the ground, but obviously the rocks. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I don't even know if I got that on. Oh, they're playing. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my god, no, absolutely getting these crystals. Are these donkeys?
Yeah.
Oh, what, it bit her?
You know why they don't buy? Because they take off their teeth. And that one, they're all going to take the teeth. It's snake.
Did it say it bit her?
Yeah, snake or something.
Good damn. I'm not here for it. As I say, no monkey is touching me. Absolutely not. Anyway, going on the little boat, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Something, I'm not feeling good. I feel awful, but we've come to these like caves. Putting tags out, so I'm like, yeah, we've come to these caves to have a look. Oh god, really tucked up everywhere. Something about climbing down. I don't know about that, to be honest. But I feel like it's worse than a hangover. So I'm not gonna lie, everyone is going down there, and no, I just don't have it in me to do that. Like, I just feel so shit. I'm way too nauseous, and I'm way too like, I just, no, I don't think I can do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm take it's like a good view from here. I'm gonna take a few videos on my camera and enjoy a bit. I'm gonna go back up because I can't do this. Like, not feeling well at all. You know, it's between the travel sickness and my, obviously I like had the food poisoning and stuff, so I'm not okay.
What time is it?
20 past.
Oh, blur.
They also gave us some traditional Moroccan food after our hike in Atlas Mountains. It was really nice, like, don't get me wrong, it was probably the best food that we had on this whole trip. And like, it was shared like family style. We took our spoons and we put it on our plates and we ate all together. It was really lovely. Had conversations with lots of lovely people. It was really and truly beautiful. Then they gave us some fresh fruit. It was amazing. I might not see you till later because number one, my battery's gonna die. Number two, I feel like I'm gonna die. Like, it's mad. There are people down there. Oh my god, hang on. Oh, look, there's people.
How much is it? Isn't it? For the drink.
Don't know if you can go on.
That's what I hear. To do an outro, I do apologize, but if you do like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We did just end the day here. Don't forget to come back for the next video where it's our final day. It's a very chill day but a very exciting day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next Morocco vlog.